Changing the AC filter or cabin air filter and engine air filter is very easy on Toyota 2021. Let me show you how to do it. It's very straightforward and you can do it on your own to save some dollar. So let's go do it. First of all, this is the 2021 Toyota Camry that I use for demonstration. 4-cylinder SE trim level. So first of all, we open the hood, the latch over here. Then you look under here, there's a secondary latch. Just lift that up. Then use the hood rod to hold the hood up. Very straightforward. And this is the air box. The two locking latch or locking hook holding the air box down. So you 1, 2, then you just lift it up. Pull out the old filter. That's how you remove it. To install the new one, put it in reverse. Making sure everything line up and flush with the filter housing. Then put the upper air box back on. Lock the two tabs together. Voila! Making sure that it's flush with the filter box. Then line up the back guide right there. So these two guys right here. So line up. Then lock the latch. Then move to the lock box for the cabin air filter or the AC air filter. So open the lock box right here. And then you get access to the cabin air filter is right behind this cover right here. So you push it to release the cover. Then you see you get access to the filter cover right there. So you get access to the cover. Then you just pull it, and you see right here, you just pull from the bottom right here. Then that cover will come off. Then you just pull it out. You see, notice the arrow, the up arrow for the airflow up. So you see the up arrow right here. Then you see the filters right here, just pull it out. Okay, you see the upper arrow, that's for the airflow. Then you just remove the old filter by pushing it. Take it out. Then to install it, just put it in reverse. And then put it back. To making sure the upper arrow is facing up. So filters back on. Same thing, just put back the cover. Line up the cover, lock it. Voila! So that's how you replace the engine air filter and cabin air filter or AC filter on the Toyota Camry. Very straightforward. You can do it by yourself and save some money. Don't have to bring it to the dealer and get them charge you $100 for that. Voila.